Rainforest animals. Rainforest refers to woodland, characterized by lush vegetation and comparatively high temperature, and rainfall throughout the year. Rainforests are the world's most biologically diverse ecosystems. Their ecosystems contain more plant and animal species than virtually any other habitat in the world. One study found more species of ants living on a single rainforest stump than those that exist in all of the British Isles. Besides, although their range has contracted and expanded with climate changes over the last several million years, in general, rainforests are some of the oldest ecosystems on Earth. As a result of this continuity, rainforests boast millions of different species, many of which are endemic or unique to rainforest habitats. Of the richly diverse inhabitants of rainforests, almost 90% of these species are insects, and of these, most are beetles. A single rainforest tree can host more than 150 species of beetles. Living high in the forest canopy, most of these beetles and other insect species have eluded scientists until recently, when technology has improved access to the upper stratum. To this day, scientists are unsure as to how many animal species exist in the world, largely because they have identified just a small fraction of the millions, some estimate as many as 30 million, of insects that live in the rainforest. Among the most fascinating rainforest insects yet encountered are leafcutter ants, remarkable because they actually cultivate their own food. These ants cut the leaves of particular plants and carry them back to their underground nests, where they fertilize them with saliva. This careful tending causes growth of a particular fungus, which the ants harvest and rely on as their sole source of food. Aside from insects, as many as 100 different mammal species may be found in a 15 square kilometer, 6 square miles, of rainforest. As many as 100 different mammal species may be found. These animals occupy every available niche, from burrows in the forest floor to the branches of emergent trees. Most rainforest mammals are nocturnal, active during the night, or crepuscular, active during the twilight of dusk or dawn, and they spend the heat of the day sleeping. In fact, almost half of the mammals of the rainforest are bats, flying mammals known for their nighttime activity. Some rainforest mammals, including gorillas, elephants, tapirs, agoutis, and wild pigs, are ground dwellers, but most, like their insect counterparts, live high in the treetops in the forest canopy. Canopy dwellers have evolved an array of fascinating traits to survive in the branches of the trees. For instance, some Asian rainforests are especially known for animals with the ability to glide. Borneo alone has more than 30 species of mammals, reptiles, and amphibians that can glide from one tree to another. Most rainforest monkeys in Central and South America use their specialized tails, which are capable of grasping branches like a fifth limb while climbing, feeding, and even playing high above the forest floor. Unlike the agile monkeys, the three-toed sloth spends most of its life defenseless, hanging upside down from tree branches. To avoid predators, its movements are so slow that they are virtually undetectable to would-be predators, even vigilant jaguars. The sloth has also developed a relationship with a rainforest plant that makes it even more elusive to its predators. Although it has brown fur, the sloth blends in with the surrounding green tree canopy because a particular species of green algae lives in its fur.